Theme Widgets Icon Changer is a versatile Android application designed to customize the appearance of mobile devices by allowing users to create personalized themes, widgets, and icons. This app provides a wide array of options for changing the visual elements of a device's home screen and app drawer, enhancing the overall user experience. With an extensive library of themes, users can easily select and apply different styles that reflect their personal tastes or moods. The widget functionality enables users to add interactive elements to their home screens, such as clocks, calendars, and weather updates, all of which can be customized in terms of size, color, and style. Additionally, the Icon Changer feature allows users to modify the icons of their apps, creating a cohesive look that ties the entire interface together. The app is intuitive, making it accessible to both tech-savvy users and beginners. Overall, Theme Widgets Icon Changer is an excellent tool for users looking to personalize their Android devices, making them more visually appealing and unique.